my outfit for the day. My shirt says Holiday Meltdown with a cute snowman. Just some leggings and my Sperry boot. It's so cold. There's snow, but there's none on my car. Thank you, Michigan. Oh, that's loud. Hold on. Trying to warm my car up. So I was having issues with like uploading yesterday's vlog and stuff. So I'm getting a late start. It's 2 p.m. Kyle's gonna be home soon because he gets out of work at 2:30. But right now I'm running to the grocery store because I'm gonna try to make some homemade soup. I found a recipe. It's for like roasted tomato soup. What is my hair doing right now? I don't even know. It's freezing. My car says 32 degrees out, but I don't believe it. But yeah, so today's video is gonna be pretty chill. I'm going to the store, getting the ingredients I need, and then I'll obviously I want to like record me trying to make this soup or whatnot. So yeah, today's pretty much just gonna be a cook dinner with me type of video, and that's about it, unfortunately, because I really have nothing else to do. So I'll catch up with you guys when I get to the store. God, my spoon. Time to taste test. You can't see it. Oh gosh, I don't want to spill it. Hold on. I added some cheese tortellini to it for a little pizzazz. I'm trying to move my tripod back up without, there we go. Excuse my wild hair. Okay, the soup by itself. It tastes just like the one canned soup I like. Except you can tell that this is fresh. Alright, now with a tortellini. I mean, I know that I cooked it, so I'm biased, but that is delicious. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna eat my dinner, clean up my mess in the kitchen, watch a movie to end my night, and watch and edit this while I'm watching the movie. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 9, I think. Peace out, Girl Scouts.